I don't know what's going on, but something is shaking over there, or at least it did, like, 1 o'clock in the morning on August 25th. Is that today? Oh, I'm showing my ignorance. Hello, it's Haley in bringing you another look at, like, earthquakes today. And weather and hurricanes, because Hurricane Irene, first major hurricane to make landfall in the United States since 2005's Hurricane Wilma. How about that? Here is the National Weather Hazards map, where there's plenty of heat advisories. That's red flag warning, that's red flag warning, red flag warning. Excessive heat warning right there, hurricane warnings. And I learned something new. Apparently, let me just actually show you. This is how I learned it. I went to actually read the red flag warnings, and like abundant lightning is apparently another red flag warning. It's a fire thing, and so things like dry conditions, like I didn't even know, to be quite frank, that there was such a thing as a dry thunderstorm. But like, so like if you've got a thunderstorm producing abundant lightning, obviously that could spark fires on its own. And if it's dry, it's not gonna like put itself out. I don't know what a dry thunderstorm is. Does that mean it has no precipitation at all, or is it just low precipitation and like gusty outflow winds? I don't know if this one talks about it. I don't see the words gusty outflow, but one of them was talking about. So basically the point is, you know, fire, lightning strikes some area, it sets something on fire, and then the outflow winds and everything, and then just spread it and make it all horrible. So today I learned TIL, biatches, states, and here's droughts and stuff. I think that might be new, and it looks like this is continuing to de-intensify, and of course with Hurricane Irene coming, I'm sure that should bring some rain to that area. But Texas and Oklahoma again, New Mexico, Arizona with the exceptional droughts. And here is who in the next 5 days is going to get a booty load of rain. What is that? I think that's a 12, but that's like 13.4 inches. That's in 5 days. That's a lot of rain as compared to like White, where there'll be no rain, or hey, the highest in the next 5 days back west is 1.4 inches. Wow, compared to 13. So now you can understand why there's inland flooding associated with a hurricane. And here's who's flooded forever based on river gauges. Like, this whole area is almost always flooded. Here's today's severe weather outlook that's not hurricane related, where apparently winds are the greatest chance of stuff. So here's your 15% chance of wind. We've got a 5% chance back there and back there. And then 5% chance of damaging hail, 2% chance of a tornado on bits and pieces of the East Coast. And tomorrow's confusing map. Let's make sure, yes, the 26th is tomorrow. See, you can't really tell what the designations are. This is better. This is the, oh, by the way, this is the non-severe thunderstorms is what's shown on this. I don't even understand it, and, you know. But this is severe thunderstorm percent chances, 5%, 5%, 5%. And of course, if you pay attention, I don't. But anyway, 15% is what it takes to get this, the yellow area on a map. Here is the Eastern Pacific, where there are no hurricanes or tropical cyclones. But here is where we've got Hurricane Irene, a 10% chance over there, and Tropical Depression 10. Oh, strike fear into the heart with your, you know, crazy name, 10. Where is 10 gonna go? Apparently nowhere near the United States before 10 dies. But let's take a look at Hurricane Irene. Let's see, max sustained wind at the moment is apparently 115 miles per hour. So, M means major hurricane, which I believe is category 3. And greater. So when it makes landfall in North Carolina, it may well be a major. Oh, well, according to this, it's going to be a major hurricane. When it makes its second landfall, might be like a Cat 2, Cat 1. You know, here's how you actually find out. You go to this one, and then it will tell you things like the predicted maximum wind is 100 miles per hour, and then you go over, you look for the word Safa, you click on that, and now I've already forgotten the number. What was it, 100? So it's category 2, sustained winds. Right. Anyway, so, and here's the pass. The guess is based on the different forecast models, so basically it's all saying, you know, almost everyone's in agreement about where it's going. There isn't like a whole bunch of wide diversity at this point. So we'll keep an eye on that, and you should really watch the news, you know, because they're actually like out there, you know, strapping themselves to palm trees and stuff to make sure to bring you live coverage from the scene. Very important. If Jim, what is his name, Cantor, I don't know, rolls up in your neighborhood, you get GTFO, mate, because that means that something's gonna go down. Anyway, Wicked Wix is WICKEDWX.com. You should stop by or whatever, you know. Take it easy today.